Hello, today we are going to talk about Mass Finance Business Loan. Let's talk about eligibility criteria. Any salaried person and self-employed are eligible for Mass Finance Business Loan. Having minimum turnover more than 1 crore to 300 crore. Co-applicant age should be between 22 year to 65 year. His or her CIBIL score should be more than 650. Now let's talk about loan criteria. If person is eligible, he/she may get loan amount up to 1 lakh to 1 crore. Tenure will be 12 month to 36 month. Rate of interest will be 19% to 22% at reducing rate. Turnaround time is 3 days for sanction and 3 days for sanction and 7 days for disbursement. Foreclosure charges will be 4% of the loan amount. Processing fees will be 2% of the loan amount. Part payment is allowed. Business registration proof is mandatory. Lady co-applicant is mandatory. Business vintage should be 3 years. Processing will be offline. Ownership proof is required, either office or residence one should be owned. A unique selling point or USP is one of the important things in a company or business. USP of Mass Finance Business Loan: doing funding to both side rented applicant, no of inquiries not considered, number of running loans not considered. Location will be 50 km from branch. Let's talk about some negative points. Negative profiles are advocates, jewelers, share traders, gym, liquor business, manpower industry, hotel and restaurant, aviation sector, real estate. No specific product for professionals. Required documents for salaried. KYC of applicant and co-applicant. Last 3 months salary slip of applicant. Last 12-month bank statement of applicant and co-applicant. Last 2-year Form 16 of applicant. 26 as of last 2 year of applicant and co-applicant. Appointment letter of applicant if available. Agreement to sale if purchase case. Property paper with complete chain of last 13 years. Approved map of property if available. LOD, list of documents, foreclosure statement and SOA, statement of account, if BT case. Sanction letter of all running loan. Latest utility bill if owned residence or rent agreement if rented. To reference with contact details. Required documents for self-employed. KYC of applicant and co-applicant. Last 3-year ITR with computation of income of applicant and co-applicant. Last 3-year tax audited balance sheet of applicant. Last 12-month bank statement of applicant and co-applicant. 26 as of last 2 year of applicant and co-applicant. Copy of GST registration. Copy of MSME registration. Copy of last 12-month GST return. Agreement to sale if new purchase case. Property paper with complete chain of last 13 years. Approved map of property if available. LOD, list of documents, foreclosure statement and SOA, statement of account, if BT case. Sanction letter of all running loan. Debt sheet. Latest utility bill of residence if owned or rent agreement if rented. Latest utility bill of office if owned or rent agreement if rented. To reference with contact details. Last 3-year debtors and creditors on letterhead. List of directors and shareholders, if applicant, if company, or list of partners if applicant is partnership, LLP. 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 LLP.